Okay, we're back. We're going to go ahead and remove the motor pod from the Solo. So take a screwdriver, usually one of those glass screwdriver types, to try to take it off. So we're going to take the lens off. There's going to be 4 screws under here. So we're going to take these off, like so. And what I did was I'm going to replace, this is the one that I've showed the video on, but one of the motors that I had on here was from my other drone, which is Hercules, and that one had a crash, and I believe the motor got affected a little bit. So, and it has vibration, as you saw in the video there, that had vibrations on my meter. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the pod and show you exactly how I replaced it. Make sure that you don't put pressure down when you're taking these screws off. Don't push it down when you're taking the screws off, because you will damage, that you can affect the bearings on there. So kind of hold it up, this way you can take it out. So basically what's going to happen is the pod is going to come straight out. I'm replacing a counterclockwise motor. It doesn't matter if when you get it, I'm going to show you a picture of the box. So generally this is the worst one, this one here. Alright, so we're going to take off the power leads, and then we're going to take off the ESC plug, the controller plug. And this one here, the metal kind of came off. It kind of supports it down. So I may add some super glue on here, keep it from moving, or I might just change the pod to another one. So anyways, we'll put this off to the side. And then we've got, and this is one that I pulled one of the motors off. So what's going to look like when you pull it off, the original OME motors, it's going to look like this. You're basically going to have 3 color wires on here, blue, black, red, and they're going to be sitting in there. So the way I took these off was, I'm going to show you with the hot iron. So let me go get that and get that started, and I'll be right back with you.